Hi and welcome to Lesson 3 of free gift coupons for WooCommerce, syncing gift quantities, free shipping, and usage restrictions. In this video, I will show you how to sync gift quantities, set free shipping, and apply usage restrictions for free gift coupons. Let's get started. Let's set free shipping for gifts. Ensure you have the free shipping method enabled in WooCommerce. Now, from your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce and click on Settings. Now click on the Shipping tab. Make sure the free shipping method is enabled. Now go to Marketing and click on Coupons. Now edit a coupon. Now go to Sync Quantities and add a product. For example, if a customer buys a notebook, they will get a free smartwatch. Now let's set free shipping for gifts. Go to Free Shipping for Gifts and enable this checkbox. Now customers won't pay shipping for their free gifts. Now, let's add usage restrictions. Click on the Usage Restriction tab. Now set a minimum cart total and a maximum cart total. For individual use only. Check this to prevent the coupon from being used with other coupons. Exclude sale items. Check this to exclude items on sale from the coupon. For products, search and select specific products for the coupon to apply to. In Exclude Products, you can search and select products that the coupon doesn't apply to. Similarly, you can include and exclude product categories. In Allowed Emails, you can restrict coupon use to specific email addresses. In Product Brands, you can choose the brands the coupon applies to. In Exclude Brands, you can choose the brands the coupon doesn't apply to. Now click on the Usage Limits tab. Finally, let's set usage limits. For usage limit per coupon, set how many times the coupon can be used. For limit usage to X items, restrict the coupon to a specific number of items in the cart. For usage limit per user, set how many times a single user can use the coupon. Once the details are added, click on the Update button. And that's it. You have successfully synced gift quantities, set free shipping, and applied usage restrictions. Try it out and boost your sales. That wraps up our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.